In this video, we are sharing all the things that go on here at our family workshop, and we are giving you a little tour of what we have here at our workshop. The main driving force behind the Lovespoon Workshop is wood carving and the Welsh Lovespoon tradition. We have a collection of spoons that goes back to 1969 with one Lovespoon to record each and every year. Additionally, on display we have all sorts of different carvings that we've done. We enjoy doing things like cartoon carvings and making toys on the scroll saw and then finishing them off by hand carving them. Our collection of Lovespoons has all sorts of designs and styles and ideas included. Each Lovespoon is a unique creation and it records a story, a message, or an idea that relates to that particular year. So that is the display room here at the Lovespoon Workshop. But the grounds are all part of the story. We have bees on site and several acres of land that we have used to plant a variety of different trees and is an essential part of our tree planting project. In total, we have managed to plant in excess of 500 trees. Our on-site timber store is another part that is essential to our operation. And here we store the wood that we get from logs from local tree surgeons, as well as recycled woods from old furniture, fixtures and fittings. Now let's have a look at some of the equipment that we have. We start off with our coronet saw and our planer. So the coronet saw is a fantastic piece of kit, really useful when it comes to the preparing of the woods and very accurate when it comes to some of the projects that we make. The thicknesser planer, really useful when it comes to the early stages of processing the wood for the projects we make. Let's go on to some of the other equipment. And as you know, the cornerstone of what we do here at our family workshop is the scroll saw and the hand carving skills. In total, we have 2 scroll saws on site. They are both Hegner Multicut 2S. One is the older design and one is the newer design. We also have our sharpening equipment for keeping the tools nice and sharp and safe, and then the pillar drills that are an important part of doing those pilot holes in preparation for the scroll sawing and wood carving that we do. We have our larger drill bits in the one pillar drill, and then the smaller, finer drill bits in the smaller hand drill that is on the stand. Other pieces of equipment that we have in our family workshop include the routers and the bandsaw and also the oscillating sander. So the bandsaw is great for preparing the projects and preparing the woods. It's also useful for cutting outlines and roughing out projects in preparation for the later stages of what we make. The oscillating sander is one of the pieces of equipment we use less, but again, it is useful for refining the insides of clocks and using to create an effect of chip carving. The belt sander and the dust extractor are important parts of equipment that we also use. The dust extractor essential for keeping the cleanest environment possible, and the belt sander is used at numerous stages to improve and refine the finish that we get. Now, no look at our family workshop would be complete without focusing on the wood carving itself. We spend numerous hours on the workbench doing our wood carving projects. Once the wood carving is completed, our attention moves across to the finishing. The process that we prefer is to use Fiddy shellac, adding 3 coats of shellac sanding sealer, and this is done in a separate room. We don't just have items on display that we have made, we also display some of the old tools. Throughout the workshop, the items that we make, we have on sale. This is where we aim to progress in the future, is to fill our entire workshop with just items we've made ourselves. So even the prints and the fridge magnets in the photos, they're all done by ourselves here on site. So there you go, that's just a quick tour to show you all the things we have to offer. Thanks again for watching. Give us a thumbs up if you've enjoyed that little tour of our family workshop. And as always, we'll be back again soon with more videos.